These ones are the one which we are going to plant on this first tires, and this one are for the second tire. Let's start. So just scratch the soil and we create a hole and we put number one. And this is our nursery bed. We are going to get our Irish potatoes which have been germinated. You can see them, they are having roots. These ones, those roots. Let's continue, get others. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one are 7. Then you get number 8. Number 8 is here. I think they are over it now. Number 9 is here. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification. Today we are going to show you how to grow Irish potatoes in tires, in motorcycle tires. So let's go and see what you are going to apply. These are car tires, but we are not going to use these ones. We are going to use these ones. There are 6. Those are those ones. We are going to use this bed, and we shall get soil. We shall also use these motorcycle tires which I collected from different garages around the town. And we are going to visit our nursery bed where we started our Irish potatoes for germination. And for that matter, we're going to take you through this process of planting our Irish potatoes here at home using simple method of growing them in these motorcycle tires. We are going to combine like 3. We shall combine 3 tires like this to maintain the length, the height from down up in order for the Irish potatoes to supply their roots in different direction of these tires. And these tires which you are seeing, so they will be able to supply their roots. And those roots, they are the one which they are going to produce those Irish potato tubers. The Irish potato tubers in where I grow vegetables in containers, and today we are going to show you how to grow Irish potatoes in car tires which are stored on this place here. We have got these ones of car tires and motorcycle tires. So this is the first one. These two here which you are seeing, they are for tires, and others which are down here, they are for motorcycle tires. So this time around we are going to use these. let me count them. They are 5, 6. There are 6, including this one, the one which is hiding here inside the big tires. So those are the one which we are going to use. The one which are down there, the motorcycle tires. This is our nursery bed. We are going to get our Irish potatoes which have been germinated. You can see them, they are having roots. These ones, those roots. Let's continue, get others. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one are 7. Let me get number 8. Number 8 is here. I think they are over it now. Number 9 is here, and even number 10 and 11. Number 12. Let me continue getting others. We are over in my nursery bed. Let me go and get others. Yes. This is our second nursery bed. Let us get others from this nursery bed. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. So if you see your soil having these earthworms, if you see these earthworms in your soil, if you find many in your soil, get to know that your soil is fertile. Yeah, that is a sign that your soil is fertile. Once you see these earthworms. So we have got only 3. Let's go and combine them with these ones here. These were 12, they are now 13, 14, 15. So we are going to prepare our tires. These are motorcycle tires. I'm going to make around like 2. I'm going to make 2 of them. Let me make 3. Let me make 3 tires going up like this. Okay, another one. 3. We shall get our spade here and we put the soil inside these tires. So I put soil inside these ones, these tires. So let me start. this one, I think. These ones are the one which we're going to plant on these first tires, and this one are for the second tire. Let's start. So just scratch the sweep and we create a hole and we put number 1. And number 2 be placed there. Number 3 and number 4. Number 5. So I'm done with number 1. Maybe there another one. So we are done with the first tires. So let's go to the second one. That's number 1 tuber, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, and number 7. So that's all. So let's catch up for the next video.